Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a big thank you, and this is a card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using a big thank you, and we're going to be using this thanks right here. I have a piece of Berry Vanilla, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I have the Label Me Fancy punch. And I'm just going to get deep in there. Okay, so I'm going to come in with my Merry Merlot. And I have this mounted on clear block G. All right. Now I have a piece of pressed petals, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to adhere this down with some snail adhesive. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my metallic edged ribbon. And 2 regular pieces of tape. Put that in the center. All right, and then we're going to adhere this down on our card base, which is Merry Merlot, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and then I have the champagne rhinestones, and I'm just going to use these little ones here at the ends. Just like that. There you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!